Intercepted by Cadigan, but that ball still trickles over, and a service and a save! Great save that time by Jaden Chu. Oh, how did she rob her that time, the striker? They get a touch now on a diagonal pass. A strike into the box now, trying to get another subsequent strike, and they do! Well, there's opportunities. Holly Brimmer and her teammates trying to continue on. Of coming back in this match. The Calgary Blizzard have shown just
take her on. Who's there? Play through. Hold on, Carr. Take a touch, no player.
Well done.
Going on,
Nice
going on, looks good. Keep going. Pass. Hold on now, excellent. Go forward, go forward. Run at her, come on, you got her. Strong. Going on, strong. You got her. Go on, Annie. Go, baby.